đừng cần những thứ cao xa. Nếu sau này họ sẽ đi vội vàng, anh vẫn chờ em dấu muôn mang. Biết em thương người ấy đã rất nhiều, anh hỏi lòng anh có bao nhiêu. Trái tim em giờ đã quen nuông chiều, xin đừng quên ta đã từng yêu.
Asian Times Square. There was lion dancing earlier. Hold on.
Hả? Đi đi ăn mua tôm đi. Hay là ăn bột chiên nè.
Bánh bột chiên, ăn cái này.
Chả giò hay bánh này nem nướng được nha.
Mua hết luôn.
Có nem nướng à? Nem nướng?
Nem nướng này, còn có cây.
Cảm ơn cô. Meat steak. This is nem nướng. So good. Which basically, it sucks now that I'm older because now I have to give little kids lasing. But what do is you put money inside of them and you give them to the younger kids. This is considered lucky money. I hope they have $2. Like, would you go to the supermarket to pay $2 to get $2 bill or something? Yeah. Do you guys have like $2 bills?
No.
Do they make those anymore? Thank you so much. Cảm ơn cô. So cô is for older lady, and when you say chị, it's like someone who's your age.
Em đừng cần những thứ cao xa. Nếu sau này
Huh?
$2 $5.
Whole vịt lộn is a duck embryo. Have you ever tried it before? You want to try it? Dạ, cảm ơn. Sắp 21 rồi mà.
Sắp 21 rồi hả?
Yeah.
Sẽ có 20 phải không?
Yeah, 20.
Không được, cho tụi kia. No.
It's Lunar New Year.
Really? All right. Well, after you turn 21, let us know. We'll take you to the bar.
Come on. Thank you guys. It is duck embryo. So it's called whole vịt lộn. HOTVITLON. Let me take a picture of this. So good. that is the duck. This part usually people don't really eat because it's really thick and like kind of hard to chew. A little bit of this, some of this. Okay. What's this? Cut the soup, the head, and a little head. Are you scared to eat it? The big muscles. Can you handle spice?
We have a level 1 to 10.
Oh my gosh, we'll do 10.
10?
We will do a challenge for now.
Okay, sure 10.
Are you sure? We can go feed the lions later. They're called moolah. It really is. There was so much traffic. There was an accident on the way. Gua. This is, how do you say crawfish in Vietnamese? This is crawfish, Vietnamese translation, crawfish. No? I need cutters. That's not spicy at all. I didn't get my money!
trái tim em giờ đã quen thuộc, xin đừng quên ta đã từng yêu. Nếu một ngày em